As many of you may know, last year we pulled up our old patio and we had a new one put in. The ground is all concrete stamped and we love the way it came out. And this is the first year we're getting to enjoy all of it. And look at these flowers. Everything is in bloom so beautifully. These are petunias. And here's our fire pit over here. And last year we didn't have chairs to go around it, but we bought them this year. And here's the fire pit. And oh, look over here. I have a pillow that says, "Girls just want to have sun." Isn't that funny? I wanted to bring a little pop of color in here with the gray. So I put a little bit of teal in here. So I'll try to back up a little to give you a better idea. We have about 6 chairs around the fire pit. Let me swing over here. Here's another little teal colored pillow on that chair. This is magnificent. Look at the size of this. It's petunias and a couple of other different types of flowers, and with a little bit of miracle grow. This is just beautiful. Let me swing around here. There's several different colors in here, and it's so pretty. We have some patio lights around here, and this has some impatiens in it. It's doing fine. Not as well as I'd like it to do, but it looks pretty good. If we swing over here, this is our grill, our gas grill that's covered. And over here we have 2 pots with impatiens in them. They're not looking too good. I don't know. We've had a lot of rain and wind, so we're trying to perk them back up again. And here's my statue that I got last year from my hubby for Mother's Day. And it's St. Francis, the patron saint of the animals. And he has a little cardinal he's holding, and a bunny, and a squirrel. We haven't used this yet, but over here we have a smoker. Scott brought it over when he came. And let me see if I can get around here to the table. Hold on. And here's our beautiful picnic table. I was able to get an umbrella tablecloth in teal. And I hope this isn't too dark, because now I'm standing in the shade. The umbrella's opened. But, yeah, I got a teal print tablecloth. You're going to see shade because of the umbrella. I painted that little lantern over there. Painted that a teal color, and I have some candles on the table. And the umbrella is a pretty color to match. So I'll stand back a little bit. You can get a better view of what the patio looks like. We were so pleased with the way it came out. We love it. We were out here the other night. We had the fire going. The kids were roasting marshmallows. Oh, I painted this planter teal too. I don't know if you can see it. Let me step back. Oh, over here, I painted this planter too, and we have in here some Italian parsley, some basil, and some mint that we planted in there. They're doing really well. So this is our patio. We love it. Finally this year, we get to enjoy it, and hopefully we get to spend some time out here while the weather's nice. So I just thought I would share it with all of you. I hope you like it as much as we do. My favorite part is the fire pit. I love that fire pit. Oh, it's so cool. We did wieners out there the other night too. Oh, and here's another potted petunia plant over here. And we're just thrilled with it. So it took us a while to get it done. We absolutely love the stamped pavers. What we liked about them is, as opposed to the other type that you put down, these will not grow any weeds in between. So we love that idea. So This is a view of my patio. I wanted to show you what it looked like because some of you saw the video of it being made from beginning to end. And let me swing over here. And here's a better look at the table and the umbrella. And we're all set to have some fun. Maybe we'll have a nice picnic on 4th of July. Love, love, love my egg chair. Everybody fights over sitting in that chair. I probably should have got 2 of them. So anyway, thanks for watching. This is a short one. You know I'm a baking channel, but I've told many of you that I throw in a little bit extra just to keep it interesting and to have some fun. So anyway, thanks for watching. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at that. I'll see you soon. Toodles, love you. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go down and hit that little red subscribe and the bell next to it. And you will be a subscriber. And that's all there is to it. So, from moi to all of you, I say, toodles. Have a great week. Bye-bye.